The next set of stories I have for you are over in the books. That means they're over somewhere in the meadow, in the Arctic, and they're all doing something fun. They all have animals in them, and I hope you can identify them and have fun counting. Over in the Arctic, Connie and Peter Roop were the writers, and the pictures were illustrated by Carol Schwartz. Oh, what animals do you see? Over in the Arctic. Over in the Arctic uses traditional rhythms and rhymes of the folk song Over in the Meadow by Oliver J. Wadsworth. The ocean and the land at the North Pole of the Earth are called the Arctic. In the winter, the Arctic is cold, and the land is covered with snow, and the ocean is covered with ice. In the summer, the Arctic is mild. The days are long and the nights are short. Many unusual animals and plants live in the Arctic. Terns and owls soar in the blue sky. Polar bears roam across the ice. Foxes hunt and ptarmigans hide. You can count an animal on animal fun as you journey over the Arctic. Over in the Arctic near the midnight sun lived a white polar bear and her little cub one. Swim, said the mother, I swim, said the one. So they swam all night under the midnight sun. Over in the Arctic under a sky so blue lived a brown mother caribou and her little calves too. Run, said the mother, we run, said the two. So they ran all day under a sky so blue. Over in the Arctic under the frozen sea lived a swift mother beluga and her little belugas three. Eat, said the mother, we eat, said the three. So they ate all day under the frozen sea. Over in the Arctic along the ice-covered shore lived a black mother seal and her little seals four. Hunt, said the mother, we hunt, said the four. So they hunted all day along the ice-covered shore. Over in the Arctic where the hungry terns dive lived a fat mother walrus and her little walruses five. Paddle, said the mother, we paddle, said the five. So they paddled all day where the hungry terns dive. Can you guess what a tern is? Over in the Arctic where the wildflowers mix lived a camouflaged terrapin and her little chicks six. Hide, said the mother, we hide, said the six. So they hid all day where the wildflowers mix. Over in the Arctic where the tundra looks so even lived an Arctic fox and her little kits seven. Snuggle, said the mother, we snuggle, said the seven. So they snuggled all night where the tundra looks so even. Over in the Arctic where the geese migrate lived a snowy owl and her little owlets eight. Fly, said the mother, we fly, said the eight. So they flew all day where the geese migrate. Over in the Arctic where the northern lights shine lived a mother wolf and her little wolves nine. Howl, said the mother, we howl, said the nine. So they howled all night where the northern lights shine. Over in the Arctic where the polar bear's den lived a herd of musk oxen numbering 10. Circle, said the leader, we circle, said the 10. So they circled all day by the polar bear's den. Can you know why they circle? See if you can figure it out. The Arctic animals that you saw: Arctic foxes, beluga whales, caribou, musk oxen, polar bears, terrapins, seals, snowy owls, terns, walruses, wolves. And some Arctic words were the midnight sun, the northern lights, and the tundra. Baby animal names that you heard: calves are baby caribou, chicks are baby ptarmigans, cubs are baby bears, kits are baby foxes, and owlets are baby owls. I hope you enjoyed the story over in the Arctic. I'll have some more for you later in the week.